Hi, welcome to the new video. I am Rohit Desai, co-founder of JB Experts. In this website, we are going to demonstrate how to access to the recording, which the session which you couldn't attend or you didn't get time to be the full session. So now you want to access to the videos, the recorded videos. Okay. In those cases, what you can do here is you can just visit the website start.exportseasy.com. That's a website which you need to log in. You'll get the same dashboard. You can click on login. If you have already registered, you can use this, or else if you have not yet registered, then you need to sign up. Okay. So I had account, so I have just logged in with my Gmail account. So if you have just signed up, then there will be no course in your dashboard. But who have already enrolled, they can click on dashboard. Then something is already available in your dashboard. If you don't have it, then you can just click on course and you'll end up here. Click on it, and then you will see something like um, start or free or continue. Okay, soon you get on continue. So this is the course which has been ended, which was a live course today at 11 a.m. If you have just missed any due to any reason, just plan it for next week. We are doing the same sessions every week, every Sunday at 11 a.m. And then now, as we wanted this video to be demonstrating how do we access to the recording, soon you just see here your live session is ended. Then you can click just below the recordings. So here you will get all the recordings whichever is required for you. The whole session which was around 2.5 hours. So you can just watch up any videos whichever we've been demonstrating, what the discussion we had, or what all the questions we got it from the participants. That is something we are discussing here. You can even check on the quality depending on your bandwidth, and then you can check on your speed. So whatever speed suits you. If you feel like okay, I'm a bit fast, you can slow it down. If you feel like I'm a bit slow, then you can fast it up. Okay, so that is something which is available, and this video's recording will be available for next 1 week. So till next Sunday, you'll be having the recording of these sessions. You can take the benefits of the recording. You can go and analyze. If I have shared any tips or tricks, you can just apply it and see what is the best possible. But these are all the educational videos. You need to use your brain whenever you want to implement those. So there is nothing where like a concrete for everyone. So maybe result may be different from everything whenever you apply those theories. Okay. So this all what I wanted to share in this today's video. So you'll be receiving a lot of emails on knowledge bases and other sessions. So just keep us in touch, and you people can log into the website to the WhatsApp group, the WhatsApp community. The link will be shared on this video is going to be uploaded on YouTube, so there'll be a link in the description. You can check on the website and as well as on the WhatsApp group. So the links will be below if you are not a part of our community yet. So you can join the community soon. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. And please you take the benefit of the recording if you have not attended today's session completely. If you have missed out somewhere, just watch that part. If you have missed completely, then please go ahead and watch the whole video. Thank you so much. See you in next.